I was just talking to a captain the other day, and he was freaking out about how his boat had been in yard period undergoing like a ton of work. Him and the engineer were so overwhelmed that they forgot the 5-year flag stay out of water survey. As we were talking, it occurred to me that he was doing all his management in Excel. Mind you, this guy can create some badass Excel sheets, but this wouldn't have been missed if he had been using a management software program that reminds him of what he needs to do. So can I just say Vessel Vanguard here? Anyways, I feel for this captain and engineer. I really do, because their heads are on the chopping block because they have just cost the boss a ton of money. But guys, you got to be organized in this business, especially as these boats and programs get so much more complicated. You know that I love sharing what works for me and what doesn't, and Vessel Vanguard just plain and short works for me. And without sounding like an infomercial here, go have a look at them at vesselvanguard.com. They can tell you all about it.